Guys, welcome back to the channel Pitbull's Garage. Today we're going to install the new and show you how to install this new used headlight bezel. Take the old one out and put the new one in. Let's go. Well, first off, I'm going to say I picked this whole assembly up with the whole blinker, amber light at the bottom, a little corner light, all this one piece, and you pick it for only $8. I don't know if you were supposed to charge me that or what, but you can't beat that. $8. So if you guys got, like, this has sometimes the chrome pills, or a lot of times these break, like this one, it's all cracked around the inside, missing a lens. You can just get this little corner piece, but I was just like, $8, I might as well get the whole thing. So just so to let you know, you can look up You Pick It on Google and type in your area code to see where is the closest one to you. Okay, what you're gonna do is knock this bolt off. Well, mine, unfortunately, it's already broken. So all I gotta do is just kind of slide it out, slide it forward from right there, and we're just gonna set it over here like that to the side, just like so, just so you can get a little extra room. Because when you pull in this off, it's gonna be a Phillips here, and there's gonna be two bolts down in there, one right here and then one that you really can't see. But if you follow that light socket, that bottom turn signal socket, is going to be like one on each side of that, so you know that's the bezel. You don't want to go to the ones all the way at the bottom, that's just something else. And there she is. You see, she's out. It's only these two bolts, and worked for me was 11. So these two came off the bottom right here, as you can see them. It goes in there, and then you just, the nuts was on the back side of that. And of course, don't forget to just twist these out before you pull the light out. You're gonna have the blinker, lower light right there, then you're gonna have this corner light right here. And then this your main headlight stays in there. That's it. Like I said, two bolts at the bottom, and then these two screws came off the top, just some Phillips heads, and that's it. Pretty much very straightforward and simple. All right, time to go ahead and slide your new used one in. Like I said, either you can fight with it and get this bulb halfway started, or you can wait till you get it in there. Whatever is easiest for you. But so I'm just gonna push these out the way, because I'll probably slide this one in. This bottom one, I do it once it's in place. You just line those studs up, them holes right there. That's pretty much it. All right, I went ahead and just hand tightened those off, and then finished it off my little extension and ratchet. Just snug them down. You ain't gotta freaking 30,000 foot-pounds them, or no. It's plastic, so just as long as he's snug. And then you're just gonna come up here and get your little screws, you know, just like that. Let's go ahead. I'm a starter. I don't like just going straight forward, but you know, whatever. Teach their own. Go ahead and start those. And bam, just like that. That's how you do that right there. And then bam. See, bezel back in, old one right there, you know. Don't forget to put this bub back in, like I was saying earlier, you know what I'm saying. Make sure that's in there. Go ahead and give her a try. Oh, yeah, don't forget to put your jug back. Like I said, it's a clip that slides in right here, and then one at the bottom that slides in down there. And just put that, this slides right, or put the nut back on there. Ready to go. You see, all right, there you go. Sound like new money, you know. Like I said, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So if you guys are just doing like me, getting another bezel, like this whole little bezel, like I said, I only got it for $8. Can't beat that. Or if you're going aftermarket, that's another way you can pull these up. I haven't ordered aftermarket, but I'm assuming you don't get this bezel. I don't know, don't quote me on that. But as you see, you can pull them out if you did want to separate them. Then screw right here, screw right there, and this should come out. And then 2 bolts right here. Get this little corner light out. So for those guys that want those clear, well, this one's already clear if you want to get a clear bottom, but whatever. It works, so I ain't gonna even do all that extra stuff. Well, alright there, guys, you know, that's gonna do it for today. You know, just a little light bezel install on your OBS Ford, you know. So for more Ford content coming, we're gonna start working on the performance end on this. So go ahead and like, share, subscribe, stay tuned for that. So we're gonna play around with that, get her a little more few ponies and help her idle out. But that'll be another day, another video. See you next time. Peace.